Apple down 5, Amazon down 50, you know, just a lot of big moves that are really, you know, who knows if they're going to hold. I will tell you here, Amazon gets down to this 200-day moving average, which is down at 1750, and we are in. So that is probably front and center on something that I am watching right here. Don't know how much of this is overreaction, underreaction to what's going. William, when you say it's at value, what do you mean by that? What really is the true value, right? I mean, if you look from a technical perspective and some of the areas that we look at, yeah, we like it there, right? But we don't really know on any stock, you know, what the value is. There's a perceived value.